How to limit app users on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, scroll down and then head over to screen time. Once you're inside the screen time, at the very top in the time limit option you can see app limits. Click on it and then tap on add limit. Now simply select the category that you want to set the app limit. Let me select social for now. Tap on it. You can see all the social media has been selected. Now click on next at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the duration of the time in which you want to set the app limit. Let me select 7 hours and 15 minutes. Once done, click on add at the top right corner. And there you go, the app limit has been added. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.